In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can watch Formula One for free. And it's actually way easier than you might think. All you need to do is use a VPN. And if you're not too familiar with what that is, do not worry. I will explain it in a way that makes sense. Before we get into all the details though, you can check out the links for the VPNs that I tested personally and can recommend in the description below. Or you can just scan the QR codes on the screen to grab the best discounts available right now without having to go search. So here's the deal. A VPN, or virtual private network, is basically like telling the internet you're somewhere else. Why is that useful for F1? Well, some countries stream certain races for free, while others lock them behind expensive subscriptions. If you use a VPN, you can connect to a server in one of those free stream countries, and the site will think you're actually there. So instant access to the race without paying extra. You just pick your location, hit connect, and you're good to go. Now let's talk about the VPNs I actually use and trust, because not all of them are built the same, and you don't want something slow or unreliable, especially when you're watching a live race. NordVPN is my go-to because it's really fast, super secure, and has servers in so many countries that you'll never struggle to find a good connection, even on race day. Right now, NordVPN has also got a deal for 74% off plus 3 extra months free, which makes it a solid pick if you want the best performance and a really good deal. Now, if you're after something more budget friendly, TotalVPN does the job really well without a bunch of extras. It's simple, lightweight, and easy to use, which makes it a good option if you just want to connect and start streaming. Now, on top of that, TotalVPN currently has an 80% off deal, so it barely costs anything to get started. Now, Surfshark VPN is another favorite because it lets you connect unlimited devices while also being very fast. That means your family and even your friends can all watch races at the same time under a single account. And Surfshark is offering 60% off plus 3 free months right now, so you're getting both flexibility and value. Norton VPN is worth a mention here, especially if you already use Norton for online security. With this one, you get privacy, protection, and streaming access all bundled together. At the moment, Norton VPN has up to $35 off, which is a nice perk if you're already in their ecosystem. And finally, CyberGhost VPN is amazing for live sports because they have servers that are optimized for streaming events like Formula One. That means smooth playback without buffering, even during peak times. CyberGhost also has a huge deal right now with 84% off plus 4 months free, which makes it hard to beat for sports streaming and when it comes to cost effectiveness. And here's a quick safety net in case things don't work right away. If you're still seeing the block screen after connecting, try clearing your cookies, double check your IP address to confirm it shows the right country, or just connect to a different server. And if all else fails, every VPN I mentioned has responsive support that can walk you through it. So yeah, that's basically all you need to do to watch Formula One without paying for expensive subscriptions or dealing with those annoying "this content isn't available in your country" messages. Just grab one of the VPNs I mentioned, set it to a country where the F1 race you want to watch is available for free, and you're ready to go. It's quick, it's easy, and once you set it up, you'll be able to watch every race this season without a problem. Now, before you head off, don't forget to check out the links in the description or scan the QR codes on screen to grab these deals while they're live. Again, NordVPN has 74% off plus 3 free months. Surfshark is running 60% off with 3 free months. TotalVPN is offering 80% off. Norton VPN has up to $35 off, and CyberGhost has 84% off plus those 4 months for free. And I'm curious, which race are you most hyped for this season? For me, it's Monaco every time, but I want to know yours. So drop it in the comments and let's talk about it.